It was about staircases leading to nowhere. So it was quite interesting. And we thought it had something to do with alien intervention. Let's see what's at the top of these stairs. This is the best place to make a scary movie. Because I'm scared. But I'm drawn to there. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna ask Gino to come up. And I'm breathing so heavy too. And I have a cold. Babe! Come up! Oh, he's gonna come. Cool. Now I won't be killed alone. I'm going to walk on a little bit more ahead. Now that I know he's coming, I have a partner. The buddy system, like how we had mentioned on a video that I'm uploading right now. The buddy system. It's very important to have an Aqua Adventures, who does scuba diving on Playa Sosua, truly believes in the buddy system when you're going out scuba diving and everything, just to be safe, you know? And so that's what I'm doing right now, guys, the buddy system. But Gino's not going to want to walk this far. So I'm taking it upon myself to do it without him. Let's get over here and see what is going on. Oh shit! Excuse my language. Okay, I'm not scared. Oh, la-di-da-di, we like to party. We don't cause trouble, we don't bother nobody. We're just the men that's on the mic. And when we rock the mic, we rock the mic right. Ooh, my heart is beating. I was told from some of our viewers to look at this cool thing. Who would put that structure there? This is like real Bigfoot thing. Look at this. Dirt right here in this tree. And here's the roots of this tree. And it's not in the ground. See the roots right there? Of this tree that goes up there. Huh. That's really strange. So, it looks like somebody literally took, I'm just going to leave it, but it looks like somebody literally took that and planted it there, or they're trying to make it live again by putting dirt right there. Look. That's very interesting. Cool fact about me. I love watching alien encounter stuff and things that intrigue the mind. And Bigfoot. I am going to write a Bigfoot book. Sasquatch. All over Canada. You guys should really look it up though, but look up Todd Standing. Standing is spelled S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Todd is T-O-D-D. And right now he is lobbying in Canada for the Alberta in Canada because they have found overwhelming evidence that there is a creature that is unidentified. Many people have seen it, but you should also listen on YouTube to Sasquatch Chronicles. It is a show of people, like man after man, woman after woman, with all the accounts. And it's amazing how all the accounts are the same. And, you know, what the government keeps saying is, well, bring in a Bigfoot. And it's darn hard to do that once you listen to these stories. And then they're like, well, bring in a blood sample. But if you don't have a Bigfoot, you can't bring in a blood sample. And apparently there have been reports of people taking in like Bigfoot, like Sasquatch evidence. And then the laboratory says, sorry, it's unidentified. Of course it's unidentifiable, because it's never been acknowledged yet. So as crazy as I may sound right now, and my loyal YouTube subscribers and viewers are probably like, yeah, we know. You love... There we go, let's turn around. I know some bunch of you guys are like, yeah, Suri, you love animals, and you love nature, and you love to think about mysteries, and that's true. But please, just indulge me and watch Sasquatch Chronicles and just listen to the people. It's quite amazing. And I'm going to write a book on it, like I said. So, but not like a scientific book, more like a novel. Did you see the way that guy was looking at us? Makes it feel like a scary movie, eh?
No, like you don't know
what we're up to.
what they're looking for.
Right. It looks like we're casing the place because we're taking video. What's up here? Or
Look the furnace.
yeah, see, that's nice. But anyway, that structure that I seen was like kind of cool. And you guys that do that are going to take me seriously, and yeah, for sale, Savende. For those of you who are going to take me seriously and really check it out and give me the benefit of the doubt, please just look at the also on Netflix, Discovering Bigfoot, Todd Standing, and on that one too, you will see that the structures that are put up, and it's unexplainable. And even if you don't believe in them, that's fine, because I would really love to see one. But I'm not saying that you know, you have to go and believe. I'm just saying open your mind a little bit, because it's been many decades that people have been spotting Bigfoot. I have Native in me. I'm mixed with Native. My background that I know of is Scottish, Native, and Black. And I got to tell you, Black Nova Scotian and Native Nova Scotian, Mi'kmaq, from the eastern part of Canada. And lots of Natives have seen Bigfoot in the woods, because of course Indigenous people are in the woods often. They get their medicine from the woods and everything like that, and they have encountered Bigfoot. So we got to start paying more attention to the species that are out there, and if Bigfoot is endangered, then we should definitely try to protect them. So that's my little spiel on my I don't know, on something that I think I would really like to be proven. But aside from that, let's get back home. It's a nice little restaurant here. I haven't seen it there before, but I have seen this one here. This is good fish. You can go in there and pick your fish right out of there. Pescaderia.
You know we play like this? Huh?
Yeah.